Kiama kia PNU kiugite nigikunyitana na kiama kia Jubilee niguo guturanira meciria hamwe na kwibanga ni undu wa ithurano ciukite cia mwaka wa 2027. Ngwatanĩro ĩno ĩkindĩrirwo hindi ya mĩcemanio ũrĩa gũtabanĩtio Karen Nairobi. Ihinda-inĩ rĩu magĩkindĩra Fred Matiang'i ta mũhũranĩri wa gĩturwa kĩa president na tigiti wa kiama kia Jubilee, no makinyaniria kuga onaguo mũng'ethanĩro no gũkuruhanio nĩguo magĩe na kĩrĩko gĩkinyanĩru.
The Party of National Unity and Jubilee synergize their efforts and resources towards the 2027 general elections. So, of course, we have resolved that we are going to come up with a framework agreement on how to engage as the Party of National Unity and Jubilee, as we have done before, because this is not the first time that we are going to collaborate. Of course, and for the avoidance of doubt, it needs to be clear that whatever we've decided to do today does not preclude other political parties or other individuals of like mind.
Noting that the Jubilee Party has already endorsed Dr. Fred Matiang'i as its presidential candidate for the 2027 general elections, and recognizing his character, leadership, credentials, and proven track record of their transformative public service, the PNU party has resolved that it shall not field a presidential candidate and will instead support Dr. Matiang'i's candidature.